Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I am super excited because I have a really fun event with Maybelline! I honestly really look forward to going to these events. I feel like I get to meet so many of my creator friends and I get to enjoy a lot of makeup products. So for me, it is definitely something that I really look forward to. We are going for the Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick launch. These are super amazing formulation of lipsticks that I am very excited to try. Also, they have sent a PR box which I think is super cute. So let me show you.
Shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake it. Shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake.
I'm a big deal.
So I'm just going to quickly get ready for the event and be right back. So this is what I'm wearing. I have paired this really cute ballerina sort of a dress with this puff sleeve black shirt. I am feeling like an absolute ballerina. So this is the vibe. Red is kind of the theme for the event. I have done my full face of makeup. I only have lips left and let's pick out a nice shade. They have 8 stunning and absolutely flattering shades in this line. So I have these 2 gorgeous reds with me. I think I want to mix both of these for that perfect pop of color. I've kept the rest of my makeup pretty neutral-ish because I want the red lip to be the star of the show. So here I have 25 Red Hot and 50 Wicked. So I think I'm going to line my lips with 50 Wicked and fill my lips in with 25 Red Hot. So shaky. That's how you activate the formula.
Get real, Maybelline. Vinyl inks here, how you feel? I'm a big deal, that's real. I'ma shine all day, you can see it in my face.
Shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake it, shake it.
I'm a real Maybelline. Vinyl inks here, how you feel?
Alright, slight change in program. I was not feeling that white shirt inside. I was feeling very hot. So I quickly changed the outfit up a little bit. I am loving this. I have added these sleeves and I've added these sleeves and this corset belt. I am absolutely loving how this outfit looks right now. I think that this is very chic, very me. I kind of didn't feel the outfit earlier, but now I'm feeling it. So yeah, we are ready and let's go.
Shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake it. Shake it, shake it. Let me see you shake.
I'm a big deal, make it real, Maybelline. Vinyl inks here, how you feel? I'm a big deal, that's real. I'ma shine all day, you can see it in my face.
I'm meeting Fabi. Actually, we met at the previous event also, but हम लोग बिल्कुल भी photo निकालना भूल गए.
You are so busy
Chatting and catching up. So I'm so glad. You know, I know Fabi, I guess before we even started really vlogging.
Yes.
So she's for me one of the OG creators when it comes to beauty. I have now diversified into too many things, but now also.
To that beauty.
Yeah. Now when I see like some really cool makeup looks, I actually tag her saying like, yo, you need to try this right now. Like this has you written all over it.
And I did try.
Yes, it was so cool. She's so creative. And if you aren't following her, which I don't know why you will not, but please follow her and subscribe to my channel also.
Alright, the theme for today is New York City. The way that they had decorated the whole event was very New York street style, very on trend. I love the vibe of the event and of course I was very thirsty, aka Mumbai summers, and I wanted to grab myself a drink and I had this hazelnut coffee drink, and I also wanted to test out if the vinyl ink kind of transfers, and to my surprise, yes, it did not transfer, so yay to that. Then I grabbed myself a little bit of pizza, and again after I had devoured that piece of pizza. Still, the vinyl ink was very much on my lips. No cracking, no transfer, no nothing. Literally, I was, enjoying myself, eating, drinking, and all of that. They also had a dance act, which was very, very well put, I must say. All of them danced so beautifully. And it was time to reveal the new Maybelline squad. This was basically the highlight of the event. There were 3 new Maybelline squad members that they were going to introduce as Maybelline brand ambassadors. The first one is Ananya Birla. She is a singer, and I actually have followed her work, and I think she is fan-freaking-tastic. She has a very cool girl vibe to her, and her music is also very vibey and groovy, which is amazing. The second ambassador is Eksha, and she is a real surprise. Honestly, her backstory was something that I read online just a couple of days back before I attended this event. She is like a police officer with the Sikkim police, and such a drop-dead gorgeous looking girl. I have no doubt in my mind that Maybelline picked the right choice as their brand ambassador when they took her on board. Then we have PV Sindhu, who is, as we all know, a celebrated badminton player. She's an athlete. She's an athlete par excellence. And again, so nice to see women from different sort of walks of life being part of the Maybelline squad and being their brand ambassador. I really love the fact that Maybelline is doing this. And of course, the big star reveal was SUHANA Khan. She is the new Maybelline ambassador. Of course, there was so much buzz about her, and she stole the show. I mean, let's be honest. In that red ensemble that she had going, she definitely stole the show, and she had such a nice, warm, sweet sort of presence. I really liked, seeing all the 3 ladies up on stage interacting. It was such a beautiful moment, and the highlight for me was definitely meeting these lovely ladies. Suhana, Eksha, Ananya, all of them were so nice and sweet. It was such a wonderful evening spent with such beautiful, amazing, talented, successful women. It truly made me feel amazing. After all of this was done, we partied a little more. As you can see, my lipstick is still going strong. And yeah, baby, no transfer. This vinyl ink is here to stay. I have reached home and I am very tired, but it was such an amazing event, especially when they revealed the faces of their new campaign and everything. I was so excited to see such talented women on stage as brand ambassadors for Maybelline. So it was definitely the highlight of the evening, and I got to meet, I got to meet all of them, which was also amazing. So thank you so much, Maybelline, for such an eventful, wonderful evening. And yeah, that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.